With some fast food restaurants lamenting the high cost of replacing styrofoam packages, questions have been raised about whether consumers will be asked to pay more to absorb the costs. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has been seeking answers.
It's been less than a week since the government's ban on single-use plastic bags, straws and styrofoam took effect, and already thumbs up.
Plastic bags should have banned from this country 10 years ago.
I honestly do believe it's a good part on the government, seemingly drastic for some, but it's much needed.
Positive reactions from some consumers. Restaurant owners have also expressed support despite the difficult transition. Manager at Pepperwood Jerk, Jeremy McConnell, has managed to replace all styrofoam packages and most plastic except straws.
Right now we're doing without it. We're not using straws. We finished out our supply of plastic straws that we had. So knowing the ban was coming, we didn't bother to order anymore. And we have on order through Amazon a supply, but Amazon informed me last week that there was a big demand for paper straws. So I am assuming Jamaica is causing the big demand.
And with the ban forcing businesses to purchase replacements, the question being asked is whether food prices will be affected.
Well, we're going to have to absorb it at the moment. The problem is every time we put up the price in Jamaica of anything, your demand drops. And we've had 2 increases this year on chicken and pork. One we absorbed, one we couldn't. So we put up the price and we have seen a drop. So you get affected.
Mr. McConnell is also calling for the government to provide subsidies for local manufacturers to provide equipment to make the replacement for plastics. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.